Welcome to Vidyarabha Academy. Now we are going to understand some constructions in one tense. And here, for example, we took present continuous tense. First begins with the statement or assertive sentence. Sejal is taking a phone. Now to create different constructions, we have to work on the first helping verb which comes immediately after the actor means subject, and that is very important in English. Now we shall see how we make while question or verbal question. Is Sejal taking a phone? This is verbal question which gives two types of answers. One is yes and second is no. But in English, answers, that is two short answers, are very important. Yes, she is, and no, she isn't. Everything is game of helping verb. Now let us see how to recite this to learn, make it learn by heart. Is Sejal taking a phone? Yes, she is. Is Sejal taking a phone? No, she isn't. Now we shall turn to WH question. Many words are there. Which word begins with W? That is like this. When, where. And some words begin with H. How many. So these are WH questions. Out of them we selected how. And it comes exactly before this helping verb to make a question. So how is Sejal taking a phone? This way it came. How is Sejal taking a phone? Now two question tags. Question tag to confirm my information or to make the person in front of me talk. Means suppose it is sitting thinking something, I want that person to participate in this talk. So I shall ask my ready information like this. Sejal is taking a phone, isn't she? I shall ask that person. First reason to confirm my information, and second to let him talk. So that's why this is first type. Sejal is taking a phone, isn't she? And second is negative, information is negative. Sejal is not taking a phone, is she? Sejal is taking a phone, isn't she? Sejal is not taking a phone, is she? Here is difference. First part affirmative, question tag negative. First part negative, question tag is affirmative. Remember this thing. Now next is negative questions. Isn't Sejal taking a phone? Is Sejal not taking a phone? If we separate these two, only is should come. If it is contracted form, then isn't will come in the beginning. Now these have the same meaning and it is equivalent of this statement, and means this statement gives the same meaning in normal life. As we make a question, means somehow rhetorical questions are asked, somehow we ask some question, is it done? Means I want to confirm that it is done. Isn't it done? This way I can ask. That's why, isn't Sejal taking a phone? Is Sejal not taking a phone? I want the meaning of Sejal is taking a phone. That's why this negative question we understood. Now next is passive voice. Passive voice. A phone is being taken by Sejal. How it became? A phone object came in the beginning on which action of taking is done. So a phone came in the beginning. Next is the helping verb. The helping verb we took as it is. We thought here, is it matching with phone? Otherwise, I must ask for am, is, or either of them I must select here because it is present tense. So here it is fitting properly. So a phone is. Now one guest will come here, which is form of to be. Out of 9 forms, one form came. That is taken from am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being, to be. Out of these 9 forms, this came. And it is selected according to this, means it is present participle, 4th form of main verb. That's why this guest came in the 4th form, that is present participle. Now, a phone is being taken. Taken is past participle of this action, take. So we selected taken. Always we need past participle of main action in passive voice. That's why we selected this taken. A phone is being taken. Now this much is meaningful line, but we need, suppose we need actor to show, then we shall show by Sejal. Means it is shown in bracket. The reason is the same. Without bracket this is meaningful, but if we want to express who did that act, so by Sejal is added. Means in this line we got 2 guests. One is being and the other is by. Phone is being taken by Sejal. That's why we understood this. A phone is being taken by Sejal. That is passive construction with subject at the end. Actor is at the end. So you try to understand this. You observed this lesson. Thank you for observing.